All right, so we've been rolling pretty good now on getting the engine back together. Got all new timing covers up here, so it looks beautiful. So I just wanted to cover a quick video on the harmonic balancers for the NB Miatas because it brought a lot of confusion to me reading online and researching what was what. So lower timing covers on, and the trigger wheel is about to go on. Of course, leave the raised section of the center here pointing towards the harmonic balancer. So you just put this on a line. It can't go on wrong. So you just put this on, pinned down like that. All right, but what I wanted to cover here is this is what came on the car. And it looked disgusting, so I wanted to replace it. So it's all rusty. This is a cast iron harmonic balancer. You can see it's kind of flaky, rusty on the backside too. So I wanted to pretty this up a little bit. But what threw me off is this raised section where the bolts go. That's not a separate washer. That's actually part of the casting. And talking with Treasure Coast Miata, they weren't really familiar with this when I told them about what I had on the car. They thought this ring was removable. But after some research, I read online that only the 99 and like early 2000 NB1 Miatas were supposed to come with the cast iron crank pulley. But this is a 2002 VVT engine that came with the cast iron crank pulley. So I found that very strange. You'll see a picture on the screen right now. This is a picture from some website that does superchargers, and they say you need to have the stamped steel harmonic balancer for their supercharger pulley or whatever to adapt on and work. So this picture tipped me off that, okay, there was, this is the clear difference between the two, cast and stamped steel. So what I did here, I went on eBay and I picked up for $39 or something a used stamped steel one because I wanted to pretty the car up. But you can see there's no raised section like the cast piece here. You can see that big raised section. So what that means is the thickness is a lot thicker where you run the bolts through from this one to this one. These are the bolts I pulled out of the car. They have a unthreaded section and they're rather long. And then these are the bolts I got from Treasure Coast Miata for a new harmonic balancer bolts. And they didn't really specify whether it was cast or steel. This is just what they send out. So if you tried to use these with the cast iron harmonic balancer, you'd have like almost no thread engagement and you'd probably strip out timing belt gear over there. So but if you are switching over from cast iron to the stamped steel, you're going to need these shorter bolts. I got these from Treasure Coast Miata, as I said, but what that does is keep the thread engagement the same between stamped steel version of the harmonic balancer and the cast iron. So hopefully this is a little bit of an upgrade. I don't think this feels just as heavy as the other one, but it's a lot prettier. So be kind of nice to bring it up to what seems the majority of the standard is. I have very rarely seen the cast iron ones on there. If you guys know more about this, leave a comment below. Tell me what I'm missing here, but this is a 2002 that had the cast iron pulley on it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all back together. Just wanted to make you aware different bolts, because there's not very well documented online and not even really in the service manual of the differences there for the length of bolts and the differences for the harmonic balancer. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.